Hello, my name is Shauna Haig. This is my first video ever on YouTube. I'm doing it for my Stitch Fix unboxing. It's my first box I've ever got. I've decided to start Stitch Fix because I'm in a total rut. I've gained weight and nothing fits. My pants make me feel like I want to kill myself, and I really, really hate shopping. I hate everything about it. The tricky part for me is that I'm like a size 16, and so I don't fit in everything in regular sizes, but I hate plus sizes. Plus size stuff mostly is just ugly as shit. It has too much embellishments, it has designs on it, has extra lace, it has extra bullshit all over it that I hate, and so you would think that would motivate me to lose just a little bit of weight, but it doesn't, whatever. So I'm doing some shopping and seeing if that works. So I also am doing the video because I want to see if me doing the video, giving it to my stylist, improves my selections next week. And then also to send it to my sweetie who's out of town, and he can help me decide. So this is all new. To learn more about Stitch Fix, go on the website. Here's a return envelope. And for the stuff that you don't like, here's a little note from my stylist with, looks like, oops, sorry, with styling ideas. This is all new to me. Here's the list of everything. I got the prices, but I'm not going to look at that yet. Okay. So, but I thought somewhere it's supposed to show, there's supposed to be like a letter from your stylist. That's what the other video said. I don't know. I've never done this before. Ooh, I found the letter. Okay. My stylist is Melissa, and she said, "Welcome to Stitch Fix family. Shauna, I'm happy to help you on your style journey. I sent you an array of casual items and to start your summer adventures, shorts for on-trend look, something classic, Daniel Rain top. This is a versatile style you can wear weekends or work, blah, 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 cutesy, cutesy. I would love to hear your feedback." Okay, and then this card has all fun different ways to style, and so I'll have to see about how to put them together. There's a lot of cute blazers in the styling, and that, maybe I need a blazer. Okay, well, that. Okay, look, here it is. Looks like there's some jewelry. I'm mostly worried about hating everything, but also that stuff won't fit. I also am maybe unique in that I have curves, I'm evenly proportioned, and I don't want to wear clothes that is like a tent. That's not, I got big boobs, and when you got big boobs and you wear a tent, you just look fatter than you already are. So I'd rather see you little back fat than feel like 1,000,000 pounds. Ooh, this might be cute. I do like stripes, this sailory top. That's fun. So we'll try that on. And, oh, floral. I don't know about patterns, but I need to branch out. That was the point. And the cut might be good. It has a fun little seam kind of goes across. Oh, but it's a little tenty at the bottom. We'll see how that goes. Oh, this might be cute. I don't know which way is front. Okay, that's the front. So it also does look a little long and tenty, especially like with like a little cut in the back. But I think the lace is fun, and it has it in the back as well, so we'll have to try that on and see how it is. Uh-oh, jeans. Damn, they went straight for it. Oh no, it's not even jeans, it's jean shorts. All right, well, let's see. Luxe Stretch. All right, then, that's exciting. Let's check out the jewelry just because that's fun too. Because I don't ever buy jewelry for myself. Seems like a waste, but then it'll look so cute on everybody. Oh, it's cute little earrings, like little simple, like a little pinky, is that pink? Diamondy thing in it with gold around it. That's adorable. That's adorable. Okay, I'm going to go try everything on. Wish me luck. I can't wait to see how it all fits. Okay, I have the first outfit on. and it's pretty adorable. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't expect it. I got the jean shorts. Never in a million years would I, oh hey buddy, would I put jean shorts on. And you know what the best part is they're super stretchy. And yeah, they're like, I don't know if jean shorts are really my scene, but man, they're comf. We'll have to ask Lonnie what he thinks about them too. Okay, so this shirt's adorable too. Oh my god, I could wear this for work. I could wear it for fun. The back's a little weird, but that's fine. I wear like a cardigans with everything. I need to improve my cardigan game because I wear too many cardigans. Maybe a blazer or something will come in a future box or something, some other jacket. But okay, this is the first one. I think it's cute and the shorts are comfy and make me happy. And the shirt like fits the latest. But most important part, all right. Okay, buddy. We'll be back with the next outfit. Okay, here's the next outfit. Ooh, my hair is looking fuzzy. I'm trying on clothes. Okay, I'm sweating a little. I don't know about this shirt. It's pretty, I obviously left the same shorts on. It's not something I would buy because it looks a little church going. And it fits well, and this is the kind of thing I'm talking about with needing it to be fitted. I don't need a big tent. It fits the ladies. It has little ruffly things. You know, I definitely have to branch out to like feel good about this. Maybe with some other jeans or something it would be, or some slacks, or I don't know. I'd have to think about what it would go with. All right, that's a maybe. Okay, here's the third and final. Obviously, same shorts. I was most excited and nervous about this because this is something I would very typically wear, and it's real cute and stretchy, and it covers all the stuff, but it's, you know, it's not too tight, but it's not super clingy. There is a bit of this back fat, but who gives a shit about that? I was really nervous about the cutout because I think people go nuts about cutouts and they don't add anything, they only take away. But that one is done pretty tastefully and cute and mostly covers up my bra. I could maybe wear a thinner strap bra and have it be okay. See, it's just a little peekaboo bra right there. So it just shows it a little. It's cute, it's comfy. I'm getting hot during all these clothes. This is why I don't like shopping. Go in the dressing room and you're just sweating. Does anybody else sweating when they're trying things on? Okay, now I think I need to look at the prices. Okay, we're going to look at the prices now, but before that, you should know that I work from home. And so my closet is full of either really decked out, nice stuff for work that I would never wear, or I'm homeless, like cannot be seen in the clothes I'm wearing. I just got this, it's new. But I have nothing in between. Again, homeless or completely decked out, no kind of normal go to the grocery store, go to the park, just hang out stuff. And so that's really what I need to be buying for, so I have to keep that in mind. But because I work from home and I don't need a lot of nice clothes, I don't want to spend a lot of money on it. So what happens is I never go shopping, I never buy anything, and then I'm like, fuck, I have no clothes. I need something. And so then I just go out and spend $1 bazillion on clothes, and it has to last me like years. So Stitch Fix, I thought, well, if I get a couple things each month, then I'm getting things and I only have to buy periodically. So that's what my goal is. And price matters. I don't want to spend a lot on clothes that I'm not going to wear. So everything is great if you're rich and you don't have to worry about money, but I am not that. Okay. So oh, damn. Okay. The Georgiana Astoria studded earrings are adorable. They're $50 damn. That is way too much. I mean, maybe it's not too much for some people. For jewelry that's not Tiffany's, that's not, I don't know, $50. That seems like a lot. Okay. Okay, the Gold Ray Hadia Rouge blouse. What's that one? Okay, I don't know what that one is. Let's look. Well, maybe we should go buy the things. Okay, so this is the Gold Ray. Okay, so this is the Gold Ray Hadia Rouge blouse in an extra large, and it's 58 bucks. I don't know if it's me. It's a little old lady, but then I also need to branch out and wear patterns more, which I really am uncomfortable with, but should do more often. I don't think pink looks particularly good on me. My skin is kind of olivey greenish, which is weird, but yellows tend to look better on me, and olives and things like that, and maroons, reds. Pink, not as well, but maybe that's just me. I don't really love pink. Okay, so that's $58. I'm not sure I'd want to spend $58 on that shirt. Okay, the frayed hem distressed denim. Okay, so here's the thing I'm going to tell you about. And maybe other girls, you know, regular size girls' jeans are like this. This is plus size. I don't think the other stuff's plus size, but I think this is 16 plus. I don't know, maybe other things. Like this little embellishment, like I don't think that, and like these little cuts on the side, I just don't think those are, I don't think those happen in regular sizes, and I just don't know why they're there. But maybe that's just the style now, and I'm really not that in style. These are adorable and comfortable, aside from that. And they're only $48, so that's, I think, a good price for those. Okay. This is the, I think this is Market and Spruce. Let's double check. Yes, this is Market and Spruce. Carrie's tie back knit top. This is an extra large and regular. And this is $54, and I do think it is pretty adorable. It's a little clingy, but not really bad, and it's kind of fun in the back. So I don't think $54 is that unreasonable for that. Okay, and then the last thing is the Quinn Keyhole Crochet Top, and this is by Daniel Rain. It's also an extra large, and it is $64. And that is kind of a lot for a shirt, but it's pretty adorable, and it could be worn for work or for just fun with like any color skirt. It's a cream. I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of a cream colored. So it could really be worn with like everything. So it's a little bit spendier of all the things, but I kind of like it. So now I just have to make a decision. So what it, so the whole thing is $274. If I bought everything, the total would be $185.50. Ugh, I just can't even think about buying those earrings for 50 bucks. But 185, I don't know, maybe. Okay, thank you for participating in my unveiling, my first ever unveiling, my first ever video. I hope it doesn't totally blow. And then write some comments if you like things, you don't like things, and I'll post next. And I'll also update you on what I end up purchasing. All right, thanks, bye.